In this video, you'll learn how to install WordPress on Godaddy in just a few minutes, so you can start building powerful websites with the world's most popular content platform. First, go to godaddy.com and sign into your account. Click on My Products in the top right corner, then locate your hosting plan. If you haven't purchased one yet, choose a plan that supports WordPress installation. Next, open your hosting dashboard and look for the WordPress installation option. Godaddy offers a one-click installer that makes the entire process incredibly easy, especially if you're new to WordPress and website building. Now, click Install WordPress. Choose the domain where you want to install it, leave the directory blank if you want WordPress on the main domain, and select the latest version available for the best performance. After that, fill in your site details. Add your site title, admin username, password, and email address. These credentials will be used to log in to your WordPress dashboard, so make sure to save them somewhere safe. Once everything's filled in, click Install and wait a few moments. Godaddy will set up WordPress for you automatically, and you'll get a confirmation message with a direct link to your new WordPress admin panel. And that's it. WordPress is now installed on your Godaddy hosting, ready for you to start building your dream website.